Some of you may have noticed and either figured out how to fix it or just ran with it, but I have been kind of notified with an issue that I didn't catch at first. So let's look at this. We have our bear enemy, and right now he is here in the middle of the screen, but when we press play, he starts at the beginning, right? And that's an issue with how we coded the ready function in the bear script. So in our patrolling enemy script right here, at the first line under ready, this is causing it to put its position for some reason at the beginning of the level. Basically, it's overriding our manual placement. Okay, so what we need to do is adjust our code, and the way we're going to do that is we're just going to delete that line. We're just going to delete that line. Then we're going to type in left point equals the global position plus the left point. Right point equals the global position plus the right point. And then save your work. Then go ahead and press play. And that will fix the bear. Now wherever we place him, he's going to be in that area. And he can still kill us. So we're good. Alright. I'll see you in the next video where we get started working on our UI. I just wanted to make sure that you guys had this quick little update. Alright, until then, make more games.